Yes, student, this is the most important reaction of, you can say, the chapter. This is what Reimer-Tieman's reaction of phenol. Student, in this reaction, phenol can treated with chloroform and sodium hydroxide. Okay, so actually what in this reaction, the sodium phenol is first reacted with sodium hydroxide. Again, same thing to make the phenol more reactive when it will convert into what? ONA. Okay, that way, so that even the chloroform like weaker electrophile can attack on it. Therefore, first we are converting it into ONA and then compound is reacted with CHCl3. Getting? So then it forms O and A and here CHCl2. Okay, this compound CHCl2 is then reacted with sodium hydroxide, that is 2 mole of sodium hydroxide to produce dihydroxy compound O and A, then CH, and this is OH twice, which on hydrolysis, that is heating and hydrolysis in the presence of acid. Now finally it converts into OH and aldehyde group generate in ortho position. That is what? This has become ortho hydroxy salicylaldehyde. So this compound ortho hydroxy salicylaldehyde, getting? This is very important compound. Simply you can call it salicylaldehyde. Okay. So this is the final product of this reaction. Again here, phenol is first treated with sodium hydroxide to form sodium phenoxide, which then reacted with chloroform to form this compound, which on reaction with 2NaOH forms dihydroxy compound, and which on hydrolysis gets converted into ortho-hydroxy salicylaldehyde. Again, this can be on oxidation converted into salicylic acid. Getting? Converted into salicylic acid, but we will see this in later reaction. But student, the very important thing is what? Mechanism of reaction. Getting? The mechanism is little difficult. Student, here we have used sodium hydroxide compound, so it acts as what? Catalyst. Here actually CHCl3, this is CHCl, and OH anion. This is generated from what? Sodium hydroxide. First it converts into Cl. Okay, electron pair is gained by this one carbon. Therefore, there is lone pair having what? Negative charge, which again dissociate. On dissociation, the electron pair of CCl bond due to more electronegativity is gained by this Cl atom, forming Cl anion, plus there will be carbon. This is one Cl and this is second Cl, and there will be a lone pair electron. Getting? This compound is similar to CH2, that one. This compound is known as carbene. Known as what? Carbene. So what will be the name of this compound? This compound is known as dichlorocarbene. Are you getting? See, this is the main portion, what? Carbene. But now there is, besides of 2H, there is 2 Cl, therefore called dichlorocarbene, and this dichlorocarbene attacks on benzene ring. Getting? While when the reaction will take place. How the reaction will take place? In the mechanism. Now you can check here. This is what? OH plus NaOH. Getting? Is getting converted into sodium phenoxide. This is ONA. Getting? Now ONA, by the resonance with what? Electron pair is shifted here, therefore now this portion will acquire electron efficiency. Getting? This is O and A. This is previous bond. One pi electron pair is shifted here. Therefore, there will be the electron efficiency with negative charge, and there is what? It's a hydrogen. Okay. So now there is electron efficiency in dichlorocarbon. There is electron efficiency. That means what? In the next step, now the dichlorocarbon, that is this one and this one, will attack on that position. So when it will attack on that position, now it will convert to this one O and A. This is the H, understood, and now the C. Okay, and there is what? Cl2. That is this compound attack here, which on rearrangement, now you can write it what? Rearrangement, or the electron pair when gain here will convert into, now the bond will be there, O and A, so H will combine here, so becomes CH, and this is the Cl2, Cl2. When again the compound will react with 2 molecules of NaOH, so 2 molecules of NaOH, it means 2 Na will combine with 2 Cl, so become minus 2 NaCl, and the 2 number of OH will substitute to Cl, forming dihydroxy species. Okay, this is O and A and CH, and this is what? OH2. Okay, which on heating will convert into the final product. This is OH and this is C double bond OH. Now that is what? Salicylic. Getting? The compound is salicylic. So this is our final compound. Stop. Salicylic or called ऑर्थो। हो गया ना? बंद कर दी ना वीडियो? बंद कर दो ना।